Honda Pilot, here we go. Quick video. We're gonna be replacing this tail light on the driver's side. It's just wrecked. It's been sitting like this for who knows how long. You can see it's building up dirt and dust in there. So let's get started. Quickly show you guys here. Here's the part that I ordered in. Took about a week and a half to show up from Amazon. Part number right there. So this is the left side. You can tell it's not bad. Looks original. Looks decent. And it's gonna be comparing to the old one. Of course, it's gonna look different because one is faded. Other one's super brand new. All right, so it's gonna quickly take out the old one and install the new one. But first, check this tool out. Just picked this up last night. This thing is freaking huge. I wasn't expecting this big, but this is a long reach ratchet made by Fuel, brushless, with M12 battery. My god, this is freaking awesome, guys. Gonna give this a try. So this is a 3/8 drive in here, so I'm gonna downsize it to a smaller one. And those two bolts right there on the side is a 8mm. So let's quickly take this out. Wow, just like butter. Come out easy. All right, so we're just gonna quickly pop this out of the vehicle here. There we go. Oh my god. There's water leaking on this thing. That's ridiculous. There we go. This is a garbage. Look at that. There's fish floating in there. Alright, we'll put the new one in. So first we'll plug the connector here. Get the wire loom, go in the hole, and this rubber piece right here go into that hole, just like that. No water is gonna go inside. All right, so we're just gonna tuck the wire in on the side like that, and then line up the hole. There's two pins right here. It goes to that two hole, line it up, and then two holes right there to that two bolts hole right there. So just line it up just like that. Alright, so when it's lined like that, we're just gonna have to push it in straight forward. We'll snap like that. Snap right in. There we go. Alright, so we're gonna secure it down with this original screw in here that came with the old one. Just gonna hand tight it. And then with our special tools, we don't really need this. Just use a screwdriver. But I'm gonna use it for the first time anyways. Here we go. That's good. So using a ratchet here is a lot better than that tool because you can feel how tight does that bolt go in there. If you use that electric tool, you're just gonna have to like round out that bolt or snap something. Something will break. So good old ratchet, that's what the best to use. All right, that's it guys, check it out. Looks nice, just like brand new. Looks sick. Wow, compared to the other one right here. $100 everything from Amazon. Nice looking tail light. Look at that. Wow. Honda Pilot. Subscribe, like the video. See you again on the next one.